So this is Richard's early birthday present. He got a new chair because the old one was getting a little used. So we got him a new chair. It reclines and has a little massager. And then he's got a new holder for his CPU. It's not on, but when it's on, it's like a blue color when it's all lit up. And his desk has a little feature where he can change the colors, or he can have them fade and blink. Here's the fade. I just had it set to the blue color because that's his favorite color, is blue. He's got his mouse, his keyboard, headset, everything that he got for his computer. And he's loving his little area. So he got a early birthday present because Amazon Prime Day was perfect for the purchase. He also has some little plugs and USB under there. So he's got it going on right now over here. He's pretty happy. Trouble.
Right. First, what did I do? The game is sitting right there. Watch your feet, okay?
I won't. I
Okay.
don't.
They say if you break it, you bought it, but.
Why are you running, Jackie?
One.
He video you, Mom. He video you.
Bye.
He video you. He video you. Mommy, show video. Yo, bro. Wow. No,
so that I can actually assemble this. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. You my twin, my treasures, my twin, my treasures, my twin, my treasures, my twin.